Lesson to Let's Learn, single crochet. Then the chain stitches from the last class. Find the penultimate stitch. Through the chain stitches on the penultimate side. And then we wired it out. After bringing it out, we'll have 2 coils on the needle. Then we wind the wire. After winding, pull the 2 coils out at the same time. Okay, next shot. Let's try again. We go through this braid. Crochet winding. Let the crochet thread out. After it is taken out, there will be 2 coils on it. Crochet winding. Then pull the belt out. Okay, let's practice the next one again. Then go through the braids on this side. Crochet winding. After bringing out, there are 2 coils on the crochet. We continue winding with 2 coils. Okay, let's move on. Do it again. Then crochet through. The wires carry it out of the 2 coils. We're going to rewind the wires through these 2 coils. So that's our second basic stitch, single crochet.